I get clients that ask, well, should I do my review before discovery day? I get that question a lot. And my recommendation is yes, do the review before discovery day, because my review will arm you with questions that you can ask face to face at Discovery Day, Founders Day, whatever they want to call it, and ask those questions that I think that should be done face to face. Not necessarily these I gotcha questions, but if there is something wrong, if there's something that doesn't seem right, pull them aside and say, hey, look, I did this review, and this is something that I have concern about, and just see how they ask or answer. And you'll get some excellent feedback from that. You'll get to see how not only they respond, but their overall demeanor, and so I think that matters a lot when you are gauging whether or not you want to enter in a business relationship with them. So I do recommend that you go through the review before discovery day, but I certainly have franchisee clients that hire me after discovery day, and that's more of just confirmation. But it's vital. It's critical. I've definitely have spotted errors in the franchise agreement, where that would have caused problems later on. And so they then had a reissue that franchise agreement, wait some days, and then execute. And otherwise there could have been, again, some issues. So that does happen. That's not often, of course, but it is good for your peace of mind, because you are next or ready to make that next decision, which is, should I buy this? And so it's critical to do it, either before discovery day, after discovery day. You really absolutely should get an FDD review. I had one client who was heading off to discovery day the next day, and said, "Could you do basically same day?" And I was able to move some things around and talk to them at like 8 o'clock at night and run through it. So I understand that there are these time pressures. You've got the training coming up. They've got discovery day coming up. They want to make sure they get into this brand before somebody else takes that territory. And so I'm able to accommodate that. My turnaround time is typically less than 3 days.
Okay.
But yeah, you should ask the attorney whether or not they have the ability to do a review in enough time for you to actually go to that next level.